Hello friends, this is Ved. Welcome to Ved online classes. If you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe as soon as possible. Hello friends, welcome back to Ved online classes. Today I will teach you what about the Java classes and what about the Java files. So there are difference between Java files and Java classes. Both are different. So last videos I explained you how to create a new folder, new project. So whenever you create a new project, so there are some files are created automatically, like source folder. This src folder is source folder for Java classes. So if I open this Java class, so here default package is there, and after that hello world.java file is there. So this is my Java file actually. Okay, so this is my Java file, and the Java, so question is, where is my Java class? So when you click on the right click on the project, you will get one option of properties. You can see these properties. You can also press alt plus enter, this is short key, and after that when you click on the properties, then it mention that in this particular location your project is saved. Okay, so this is my location for my this project, first project. So when there is one button, you can see, so if I click on this button, then that explorer is open and I can see this folder is here. So this is my workspace or working space for STS projects. So I open this first project. Here you can see there are two folder and two files are there. One is class file, I will explain it later. One is project file, I will explain it also in later videos. But currently you means focus on the source folder. So in the source folder you can see hello world.java file is there. When I open it, at that time you can see that this is the same code which is there in STS. Okay, I am cancel it. Okay, yeah, so this both the code are same, so both the files are same. So where is my class file? This is my Java file. Okay, this is my Java file, and in this folder means in the first project, there is one folder is bin. So in bin folder you can see the Java class file is there. So there are difference between Java class and Java file. So when Java file is compiled by Java compiler, this Java class is created, this class file is created. So if I open this class file in Notepad, so you can see this is bytecode format is there. So what is bytecode? So you can see this is my Java file. Okay, this is my Java file and this is my bytecode file or class file. So whenever Java file is compiled by the compiler, at that time bytecode file is generated. Okay, now what is bytecode file? So it is not executable file. I want to clear you, this is not executable file. Bytecode is one intermediate file between Java and actual your binary output. So whenever you run any Java program, suppose I run this Java program, run as, okay, run configuration, and here 3 argument is there and I am running it. So this is my output. Okay, so whenever you execute any executable file, at that time your output or your functions is shown there, but bytecode is not directly run, it is run by Java interpreter. So there is two things, one is Java compiler and one is Java interpreter. So I will explain you both in detail in next video. In next video I will cover what is difference between Java compiler and Java interpreter. Thanks for watching this video friends. Please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.